24 Porsche Panamera passenger screen installation tutorial. First, unscrew the screws from the passenger storage box. Pry out the bottom panel of the storage box. There is another screw next to the passenger door. Take out the storage box. Unplug the wire. Unscrew the screws at the bottom of the passenger screen. Pry the light strip out first. Take out the screws on the door. Unscrew the screws under the screen. The tape is applied here to prevent the panel from being scratched. Now you can remove the screen. Unplug the wire. Remove the hose. Unplug the power cord of the hose and start connecting the cables. Next, remove the frame of the original co-pilot screen. Now remove the air outlet screws. Take out the buckle of the original car screen. Switch to a new screen. Install the air outlet. Reinstall the host. Install the screen. Install decorative strips. Installed effects.